Right, everyone, WeaponCollector here. Right, I've got a new little project set to be done soon. So, this is a little pickaxe that I got from Amazon recently. So it was Weapons and Stuff 93 that showed me this originally, and thank you, Liam, I do appreciate that, because this is awesome. You can get this whole setup for around about 19 quid. And I think you could make a really nice little battle axe with this, little one-handed war battle axe. So you get the wooden handle. Not sure what wood that is, but it does look hardwood. If it says on the actual post, I will actually show you that. Stainless steel head. Got a little bit of writing there, but you know, who cares about that? Does actually come reasonably sharp, so be careful because it doesn't have a cover. I think the handle is about 18 inches long. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, for about 19 quid, I think that's a really good base to make a nice little battle axe. So what I'm going to do with this, I'll probably leave the head how it is. I'm probably going to just whittle down this top bit so that the head will go up a little bit higher. Possibly put some langes, are they called? The langets things, these pieces of metal that go down there. That stops the head dropping down. Lanyard hole and probably some kind of leather wrap handle. Oh, and I'll probably stain the handle as well. But yeah, for a good base for a project, you know, you don't have to. You could get it and just go straight off like that. It's working as soon as you get it, you know, straight out of the box. Lovely little pick on it. But I tell you, these are actually quite hard to find. Actual proper pickaxes. Because most pickaxes, especially little ones, they're not pickaxes, they're mattocks essentially. You don't have an actual axe, you have a flat mattock for digging, not for cutting. So to actually get a nice axe head and a pick, a nice little thin pick like that, which would really penetrate well, is really good and difficult to find. I can't find any for a decent price in that combination. So yeah, that's a really good find. So yeah, look out for future videos of me modding this into a nice little sort of medieval replica. 19 quid, can't go wrong. There'll be a link in the description for this. It is B, because there's A, B, C, and D, so it is the selection B. Yeah, £12.99 with about 5-6 quid postage. That's good for something like this. So if you look up these kind of things, they do cost a lot more than that normally, at least double. And this is ready to go straight out of the box and ready to be modified, essentially. Turn it into something medieval looking. Right, cheers for watching, everyone. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like the video. Definitely subscribe. Share this places you think people may want to watch it. And don't forget you can become a member of the channel. And if you do become a member, you can do that for as little as £2 a month. And then you get entries into free giveaways, which I'll be doing soon. I'll be doing a giveaway for members and Patreon supporters soon. So don't forget about that. And also don't forget to hype the video, please. So if you're on a phone, just go to the comments and it should give you the option to hype. Alright? Thank you for watching. Look out for the future video. See you later.